dealers and valued partners, and Birla Opus colleagues. I am honored to welcome you all to the inauguration ceremony of Chamrajnagar Paints Factory.
This factory tour, I hope you have enjoyed, of our fully automated, integrated Chamrajnagar plant. Please welcome on stage the Group Chairman, Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla.
Namaskar. Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all of you officials from the Karnataka government, our dealers who are our business partners, our contractor associates, and of course to the amazing Birla Opus team. And with this plant, Birla Opus is now the second largest decorative paints company in India by capacity. And as I stand today, I can't help but reflect on the very impactful journey that our paints team has had already in such a short time. And I'm happy to share with you that we are well on track to meet our ambitious goals.
What do you think we are doing so differently in Birla Opus, as per you?
In spite of all my experience, I am really delighted to note the quality because I have experience. I've been among the painters at the time of our expo. We really proved our Birla Opus is far better than any other product. You may be categorized number 2, number 3, whatever be the number. I am damn sure will become number 1 in India shortly, sir. I am giving guarantee for that paint, sir. Because I experienced, I witnessed, I enjoyed.
என்னோட பிரான்ச்சில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒன்ட்ரூ ஜாஸ்தி போகும், ப்ளஸ் ஸ்டைல் ஒன்ட்ரூ லுக், ஒன்ட்ரூ எல்லா ப்ராடக்ட்டும் போகும் சார். ஒன்ட்ரூ லைஃபு, எலகன்ஸு எல்லாமே போகும் சார் நமக்கு. அப்புறம் அடுத்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டைல், இது 2 ப்ராடக்ட் அதிகமாக போகும். ஸ்டைல் ப்ராடக்ட் ஸ்டைல் இது 2 நல்லா போகும் சார் நமக்கு.
सबसे ज़्यादा बेस्ट तो अपना स्टोर का लुक, उसके बहुत ही अच्छा है लुक अपना. उसमें जो ब्रांडिंग वगैरह, कलर्स का, डब्बे का कलर्स वगैरह सब बहुत अच्छा है. तो फ्रेंचाइजीज का स्टोर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हमें.
The first change I see is that I see them every week. Compared to the competitive brands, there is someone from the Birla team who is visiting my shop once in a week. So I see them very frequently. The team is very aggressive. They are trying their level best to crack in more business.
Store start now till onwards. Our team means TSM, ASM or RSM. Both are each small information also passed to me. Every time, anytime, 24 hours on support to me.
The Pioneer Awards is to recognize and celebrate the success of the partnership of these dealers and contractors who have been with us from the very beginning and celebrating this partnership with Birla Opus. We are very thankful to these partners, the dealers and the contractors